Check this out, guys. There's a few of these girls caught in the act. This is just one of them that's pretty much at the end of it. So it's pretty good to film. Just wanted to show you guys, after they do the sack mat, which is what we refer to it as, they start to roll it up. And they pull all these corners in and pinch around the eggs that they've deposited. So this is a Pygmy Rainforest tarantula. She's only about 6 centimeters max. She's absolutely tiny. But how cool is that? In there, in a little burrow, just wrapping up her eggs. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, hit the like button. Feel free to share it.